Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are at Semicon India 2024 in Greater Noida. It's good to meet my dear friend Mr. Alessandro. Alessandro, it's good to meet
With
you
you.
at the
Thank you
show.
very much.
And I want to understand what sort of machines you are exhibiting at Semicon India.
Yes.
Can you let our audience know more about the machines and technology?
Here we have an example of two devices that measure the thickness of the wafer. These two devices do the same thing, but they are different in the technology which they
Okay.
use for the measurement of the thickness.
Okay.
So here we have NCG, is our sensor tube, which is an interferometer.
Okay.
Interferometer basically shines lights on top of the silicon wafer, and extract the thickness which we can read from this.
Okay.
And so you can see this a wafer with chips.
Okay.
So the process that you put all the chips,
Okay.
you want to flip it and do the grinding. As you can see here, we have signs of grinding.
Mm-hmm.
This sensor, actually, this cylindrical probe is for post-process measurement. It means after you have a grinder, you want to check if the thickness is the right one that you want. But we have sensor also like this kind of probe that can be installed directly inside the machine for a real-time monitoring of the process. So you can check real-time the thickness of the wafer changing. So you can stop, you can check that everything goes correctly. Here we have the device is called P3CF because we get the same principles, but here we have chromatic confocal technology to measure the thickness.
Okay.
And here we have a white lamp that shines the wafer, and you have the distance where you have the wafer. Then by putting a contact gauge reference, you extract the thickness by the difference of the two measurements.
Okay. And today is day 2 of the event, Alessandro. Yesterday you met a lot of people who have visited your booth. What sort of response they are giving about the technology and the machines?
Well, these are so we have already a business in China, in Taiwan, in Japan. We are already present in this business in the sector.
Okay.
And well, we have a lot of experience about this product with non-contact measurements.
Correct.
Because these are non-contact measurements.
Correct.
And we are already present in the semiconductor process.
Okay.
So these tools are very powerful. We have a good accuracy, good precision.
Okay. And which is the website people can go to look for the products?
Marposs.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, do log into www.marposs.com to check out the latest product in Semicon. And thank you, Alessandro. See you soon in Italy. Thank you. Ciao.
Thank you. Ciao.
Ciao.